Hey everyone, Teacher Dan here, and thank you for watching. If you don't know me, I'm a piano teacher based in Sydney, as well as I love creating my own music resources and helping you with tips and tricks to improve your music theory and piano playing. So today's question is on sight reading, and this is a big one and a very important one. We don't practice sight reading enough, and we always leave it to either to last minute or just eventually never do it. Yes, because we run out of time. Also in lessons, it's very tricky to help with sight reading because it's not consistent enough. Even if we spend an hour practicing our sight reading, what we want to do is do it every single day. So let's give an example of flashcards. Imagine I flashcard you on any topic just once a week. You're not going to learn. You want a flashcard every single day to start to help you with that. Now, same with the sight readings, you need to sight read every day. And even if you get buy a sight reading book, they don't have enough exercises. And the problem with that is also as soon as you read the exercise or piece again, there's some memory involved. And what you want is pure, absolute, brand new music every time. So that comes to the next problem is how do you source all this? Well, very simply, maybe your old books. Open old books and try to sight read a line or two of pieces you haven't played before. This is good because it does two things. First, you sight read, and second of all, you start playing songs you haven't played before, and you can actually complete the book. Another way is what I do is, like this image here, go to Google Images and search for sheet music. It can be anything, Chopin or pop music, etc. And all those images will come up with the sample pieces. And all you have to do is click on the image and sight read one or two lines of that. So you have unlimited sources for sight reading. So don't forget, do a little bit of sight reading every day to improve your sight reading. Force yourself to do it and you'll see the benefits in the short term. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video, and make sure you click the follow to learn more about music theory, and follow me also on my YouTube and Pinterest as well as Instagram. Thank you, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.